Are you also making these mistakes while learning coding? So do not make these mistakes again after watching this video. So watch the video till the end. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Hi, I am Chandu, and in this video I'll be talking about some basic rules that every one of us need to follow while learning coding. So the rule is simple and it is called as SHIP, SHIP, where S stands for strong fundamentals, and where H stands for asking or seeking help, and I stands for avoiding impatience, and where P stands for practice. So these are some basic rules that we will be going through this video in detail. So let's go into it. So number one is skipping fundamentals. Yeah, skipping fundamentals would be the worst decision that every one of us make during the beginning. Like every one of us think like our friends have started coding, then why can't we do coding, and we directly jump on to the coding part without any basics, and at some point of time we feel that the particular problem is unable to solve, and we rather skip the problem or try to quit the coding. So this is the worst decision, and this is the procedure every one of us will face on each and every time we start coding. So this couldn't be the solution. So instead we need to focus more on the fundamentals, like start from scratch, like what are variables, what are loops, what are functions, like what are the use of this. So if you could, after having this, if you could have a strong basics, then you can start with the coding part. So before starting coding, you need to understand that you need to have a strong basics in order to start your coding journey. Number two is not having an enough practice. Yeah, we all see many tutorial videos or read books or newsletters or anything, but it's okay. Like without having an hands-on experience, there is no use in learning coding. You need to challenge yourself with the coding exercises or any work on some small projects as well. So you need to understand that you need to have some hands-on experience as well as practice in order to improve in the coding part. And we can face a lot of struggles as well as we will through this coding journey. We will learn a lot through this coding. Like if this particular problem cannot be solved through these approaches, then it could be solved in other approach. Then we will try to rectify it in our next solution. Then there could be a chance like we will be facing many challenges, so we can learn a lot from the mistakes. So we need to keep practicing in order to improve in our coding. A major practice is needed in our coding journey. Number three is not seeking for help. Yeah, many of us do not seek help when you are stuck at some particular problem or any situations. Like you need to ask for help. It may be through any online forums or through any coding communities or any mentors. You need a perfect guidance so that they may guide you. Like a mentor or your friend can give you a better solution or a better way to solve the particular problem. You do not hesitate to ask for the help. So if you do not ask for help, the direct solution is skipping the coding journey. Do not do that. So you need to ask for a help so that he may give you some tips or guidance to solve it in a better way, or you can solve it in a lesser time. So you need to ask for the help in order to improve in your coding journey. And the last and important one is quitting too early. So quitting too early is we all are lack in impatience. Like if you could solve a problem for a particular house, as a beginner we solve some first problem for a couple of hours. It may be 5 hours, it may be 6 hours, and anything. We try solving it for a couple of hours, and if you get irritated, then we stop living there and get on to the next problem. This is not the solution you need to have. You need to verify others problem solutions, like check for their solution, and you will get to know that there is some way of approaches. In this way you can solve it too. And after viewing the solution, you can also have some approaches as well, like try to understand the solution and do it on your own way. So this could be one way that you should not quit the coding and continue to journey. So these are some best practices that every one of us need to learn in this coding journey. So if you're doing so, these are the mistakes, these are some common mistakes that every one of us do as a beginner in this coding. So try to rectify it in your next time, so that we'll improve our coding for a long time. So try to follow these steps, and if you found this video helpful, just share it with your friends and subscribe to the channel, and see you all in the next video. Until then, goodbye.